Hey everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy, delicious Cajun shrimp pasta. I've set my pot with 4 quarts of water. Water is now boiling and I'm going to add some salt. And I'm going to add 1 pound of fettuccine pasta. Give it a mix and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. While we're waiting for the pasta to cook, we're going to clean and season the shrimp. So I'm going to start by removing the shell, just like that. And I'm using a little under a pound of medium shrimp. Now I'm gonna season the shrimp with some Creole seasoning, some Cajun seasoning, and some garlic powder. It's been 12 minutes, our pasta is now ready, and I'm gonna turn it off. We save 1/3 cup of pasta water, and now we drain. I'm gonna dice half of a small white onion. I've set my pan to low-medium heat. I'm gonna melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it's melted, we're gonna add the shrimp. And we cook for a couple of minutes. It's been 3 minutes, our shrimp is ready, and I'm gonna remove it from the heat. On the same pan, we're gonna add another 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, I'm gonna add the onion, along with 2 minced garlic cloves. And we saute for about a minute. Now we add 1 cup of heavy cream, along with the pasta water that we saved. Give it a mix. We add some more of that Cajun seasoning. Mix it well, and we let it simmer for about a minute. After about a minute, we add some Parmesan cheese and some Mozzarella cheese. We mix it until completely melted. Now we add a small bunch of chopped parsley, mix it in, and we add in the pasta. Make sure you get all the pasta mixed in, cover it in the sauce. Once it's all mixed, we add the shrimp back in. We reduce the heat to the lowest setting and we let it simmer for about a minute. And now I'm gonna serve myself. And there you have it, delicious Cajun shrimp pasta. All right guys, moment of truth. I love pasta and shrimp. So, cheers. And just so you know, I only ended up using 3/4 of the pasta because my pan was very small and I wasn't gonna be able to fit it all. And this is just perfect. The shrimp is delicious. All right guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.